everyone. Today we're going to learn about sound waves. Well, have you ever stand far away? See your friend standing far away and you're just standing here. But when you sound very loud, your friend can pay attention to you and would come near. But how does the sound wave travel? Well, today we are going to learn about an interesting question is that how sound waves travel. Well, sounds travel in a special kind of wave. Sound waves travel through matter. Well, if you're standing here, you can hear me talk. But if you're on the moon, when you speak as loudly as you cannot hear each other because on Earth there are gas, oxygen, and many matter that it can go through. But if you talk on the moon, there are no gas, no oxygen, and no matter. Just the air, and there are no air too. So we cannot hear sound because sound can only travel through matter. Now, sometimes sound can only last a bit long because if you hear something like uh, like a fire truck or something zooming or wailing, you can only hear it when you're near. But all those sounds travel through matter. And again, when the fire truck is wailing, you can hear the sound very well because it's traveling through the wave. And then it could just hit your ear, but if you stay far away, it would be an end, and you can only hear a bit, but not very well. Now I have an example of this sound wave, like this tube, and when I pulled it out long, I click it. One of the sides will go near each other, and then it would change to the other one, and each one looking like it's moved like a caterpillar, but it's moved like an electricity rope, and it will come up and down like the waves. But it's not, instead of coming up and down, it's open and close from one end to the other end. So that's how sound also do. So remember the fire truck, I just said that sound when it moves through matter, it also have an end. Like when a man trailing you, if you're standing near him, you can see the sound very loud. But if you're standing a few meters or a long distance away from him, you can hear the sound smaller and smaller. And then you can stop hearing the sound because you're too far. Now, have you ever think about fireworks? Now, when you can see the fireworks shoot up and then it explodes, but you can see the light before the sound comes to your ear. Why is that? Well, the speed of light that shines to our eyes is faster than the speed of sound. So, the speed of sound would come to our ears and it would take longer to come to our ear than the speed of light. Now, when you're in a thunderstorm, you can see lightning, and the lightning is just like an example of a firework, because when a lightning strikes, you can hear the light before you hear the loud boom. But if you are very near the light, you can see the light and then boom, because they are both fast. So remember that light is faster than sound. So today we learned about how sound travels in the sound waves. And that's what we learned today. Goodbye.